Hi everyone, if you want to install or upgrade to the latest Windows 11 version, getting the official ISO file is the best and safest way. It lets you do a clean install, create a bootable USB, or even upgrade manually without waiting for Windows Update. The good news is Microsoft provides this directly, so you don't need any third-party websites or risky downloads. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Next, search for Windows 11 download page. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Then select the latest version, which will be 25H2 from the drop-down menu. Next, click the Download button. Next, choose your preferred language and confirm. Then click the 64-bit download button to start downloading the ISO file. Once the download is complete, you can use it to create a bootable USB using tools like Rufus or mount the ISO file directly to upgrade your current system. Finally, make sure you have enough storage and a backup of your important files before installing, especially if you plan to do a clean install. That's it. Now you have the official Windows 11 ISO ready to use anytime.